prayers for peace, prayers for an end to violence, all of it. In my life I have come to know love and respect. In your life you will find it at times very easy to love people. Other times you will find it very difficult. And when you cannot love another person, hopefully you will. The goal is to love all people and respect them. But if you cannot love another person, at least show them respect. Always. Love and respect. It's the golden rule. It's the golden way. And you must make amends. If you have problems, making amends. And know that love and respect is the way. Once again, hopefully it will be easy for you to love all people. But if you cannot, at the very least, show them respect. I have found that to be true in my life.
Thanks for watching Fried Talk, Pilgrim.